Okay, BB's getting you a snack. Here, hold on.
Which one do you want? Both?
Yeah.
Yeah, you know how many cars are up here.
Definitely gonna be some animals. But
What if a bear just jumped out of those woods right now?
these things are coming far up.
Look in the river too, because it could have went across the river.
We're in our first animal jam.
Yeah, it feels nice.
Hi, BB.
No wind, no nothing.
And the boys are really loving Yellowstone, aka their tablets. And take this off.
Golly, that
What
didn't
was
sound
that?
good. That's that car starting back up.
This one?
Yeah. What it was, I guarantee you, I hit the brake and it didn't fully die and it was still
Look where
spinning.
bear have clawed this.
Or it's bear.
Yeah.
Deer.
No. I think.
You don't think it's...
Well, it could be both, but that's.
Antlers.
You know, they're about antler height though. A bear can reach on up if he stands up. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
So it probably is elk rutting. You know?
Who's gonna see a
Bear
bear
could, when he stands up,
first?
he could be way up there. You see what I'm saying, Travis? You
I
see
know, I
some
wanna go
fall moss
swimming.
way up there. I like these little things they built right here, Brenda. We could put some of them down at the lake, Brenda. I could get some logs and do that.
Yeah.
It just makes some little weed eating around on it. That's a pretty log out there.
Gosh, that's pretty.
See little trails where,
People
animals-
walk, or animals or people. That's animals, isn't it?
Yeah, because it's
That's
kinda-
steep.
That'd be hard to walk.
That's
That's what, if you get to looking at the baby, and here's the mom,
The mom
behind you.
sneaks
That-
up behind
That's what
you.
I'm saying. I'll be looking from behind. They're transfixed on the baby.
Look how steep it is. I mean, that's a straight just.
I don't just see a black bear with a grizzly right here.
Look, they're pointing. They're pointing. They must still see it.
You look kind of like, how do they go up that mountain?
The weather just. I just want some hot chocolate. Not hot chocolate, some like.
We're in
Do you see it, Whitley? No, we can't get out of the car. It will come get us. Wow. Okay, hold on. Did you see it?
Yeah, I got my knuckles.
You got your knucklers and you saw it?
Yeah.
That was a big old bison, huh? I wonder if the boys could just sit in our lap.
Oh, slow like that.
I think they can.
And I also
You can sit in my lap, Bo, and you can sit in BB's lap.
pizza. That's good. I got to be a pizza.
I got it.
No, it opened back up.
Did you see the bison?
Yes.
Did you get a picture?
Yes.
Just make sure there's nothing in
Fix
the
your
way.
hat.
What's he doing? The door opened back up.
Daddy, how do you?
Okay,
How do you?
Oh man, we're right in this curve though.
It's gonna be on your side.
You're right. People just flying around there, man.
Put your flashers on.
Well, I don't want to. I'll slow. I'll go
Just go slow.
but
Here, it's on
I'm
your
not
side.
stopping.
How do? Is it ready?
It's on. It's just on.
I got on camera.
Can you zoom? Whoa, whoa, whoa,
These walls,
I'll get pictures.
whoa, 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 whoa.
well, they were to get open for them.
He's stuck.
He's up there. He's walling. Get video for another one.
What video?
Oh,
The
stop.
trees are blowing.
Oh my gosh.
I can't see.
It'll come through on the
He's bigger than that other
They
one.
can see you coming around the front. You're good.
Yeah. There's other
This is
cars
fine.
flying.
We're the ones
Shall we walk out?
they've never seen these guys out here. Yeah, it's stupid.
Shall we walk out?
He's looking at him.
Hey, here's a good one.
Okay, right here, right here.
Here's a, right here,
Whoa,
right here,
whoa,
right here.
whoa.
Right here. He gonna charge it.
He might touch that guy. He's in the trees. I got you. I'm behind you with mom.
I gotta.
Can y'all see him?
I can see.
Ain't nobody gonna pick him up.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. I'm getting the pictures back. Okay?
Ma, help me put this on. Is there
Right
any?
now. Y'all have to wait
He
till
was
we're out.
wallering. We saw him.
Wow.
Look at Bowen. He's a professional, BB. He knows.
Isn't that crazy how that's just blowing right off the line?
Go over there. Boys, turn.
You want to skip by the geyser?
Well, that river is beautiful back there. Come here, boys. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Good looking car.
Man.
I don't think you can go up there. Look, Whitty, look.
That's a big geyser there.
Yeah, it is. I don't think you can go to these.
You can go to that one. There's people on that one. I see 'em.
There's a big one up there.
What do you think, guys? That is crazy.
See, can you see
Yeah. Whoa.
Get back to mom and dad.
Yeah, stay by us.
Look at that.
What do you think, Whitley?
Don't even think they're bad.
Look, Whitley, look at me. What is that?
It's underwater volcano. That's why they call them geysers.
Smells like a toot.
Yeah.
Did you fart?
No. Smells like someone's smoking.
Stay by Ruru. Stay on the boardwalk.
I wish we had some service.
That is so cool.
Come here, Charlie.
Oh,
Let's get the geyser behind us.
Look at it with the mountains behind it, though. Don't fall off the boardwalk.
Come over here, Whitty. You're gonna fall.
Fall over in that, it'll burn you.
Look, that one's blowing over there.
Look way down there at the mountain. See it blowing?
There they go.
We ain't gonna be over there by the time it gets done. We might if we hurry up.
This way.
We gotta get back in the car here in a minute.
You videoing?
Mm-hmm.
Still?
That was high.
What?
Look at that one. That's just,
I could still
see it
go.
above over there?
No.
Big explosion. That's how it's built.
1
White Dome Geyser.
Now,
That's called.
that's what I'm saying. Y'all see how that little mountain's here? Imagine the big mountains, how big that erupts. That's how they will feel.
And then you just go back to trees and rivers. So pretty.
You didn't stop at that one?
It already erupted.
He's got to go back.
I got him.
Wow.
Oh my God.
Hey, big boy.
No.
That's not.
That's not even normal.
I'll send you the picture, Dad. Oh my God, my heart was racing.
What happened?
That's not gray we're seeing. We're seeing where they're watering. You know?
Oh, yeah.
That's what we thought we saw gray.
I don't even know if I turned mine on.
I got it. I'm literally right here. I got it. Firehole Lake. That lake is bubbling.
Mama, where's it out? Mama, where's it out?
We're gonna get out. We're gonna go see Old Faithful. All right, Bowen, turn off Snake because you're gonna run your battery down. Turn it off now. There's that buffalo over there now. Look.
Baby, come down.
Same one, I don't think. Or,
Yeah, we were just there.
Down.
You smell that? Baby, you farted?
Rotten egg.
It's going to smell like
Rotten egg. Booty, did your booty do that?
No. Oh,
So cool. That is so weird.
Yeah, you can hear him popping, right?
Yeah.
Whoa. Whoa, that's why it's so hot, because a lot of like. Look at that smoke. There's one right there. I bet if a dinosaur thought like one of these. That's the only one I see. One of the like blue water things were just like water and he came to drink. There's no boiling mud.
All my kids are taken care of, right?
Yeah, Roy's got another.
Let's take a picture of Ruru over there. You see him?
Came right to him. See him?
That's so cool.
I don't see.
Wow.
See the bubbling water right here?
That's creepy.
Daddy,
Yeah.
they were doing.
We don't, yeah, there's some drinking it.
That will burn you. You will sink to the bottom. Satan's cooking breakfast out there.
What? What?
Satan's down there cooking breakfast.
Imagine what the first people ever see that.
Oh, it had to freak them. BB.
Over there.
They're getting up to where we're at.
What's wrong, buddy?
For some lunch.
Mom gets some lunch too.
I am. BB's making us sandwiches.
I hate that sandwich. I like the sandwich.
Thank you. Let's add some whole
Tori,
beans.
you want both meats?
Yes, please.
You want half a sandwich?
Big old whatever.
No, you can make me a whole one.
Okay.
Travis will eat whatever I don't eat.
Okay.
Did you not bring the big bag of chips? Or just those little ones?
Just the little ones and the pretzels.
Mom, I need to get my jacket on.
You want your jacket?
I'll bet.
See,
It's
it
the
is a
it's the
little-
blue on blue. Everybody having a good day?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part so far, Ruru?
Both ham and
Yeah.
turkey.
Just seeing the buffalo.
Yeah, that was cool.
What was your favorite part, BB?
I love the geysers, the blue and that geyser.
What was your favorite part?
Bully mud!
Boiling mud. What about you, Whitney? What was your favorite part?
Eating.
Lunch.
Now. Say now.
Lunch was your favorite part?
Now.
My favorite part was probably just the first river we saw with the first geyser, just because that was really cool. I'll take a piece of tomato.
Dad, what was your
Oh, okay,
favorite
good.
part?
Probably the drive in. I didn't expect that to be, you know,
So pretty.
dramatic as it was.
Dad, here's your water. Or Mom, here's your
I've
water.
got one down here.
Yes, give me Mom.
I wish I had gloves.
I thought it was flat coming in here. I didn't know it was going to be mountains and cliffs all.
Whitney's hurt hat's in his eye. You guys think we'll see a bear?
Yeah.
I do too.
Who's gonna be scared?
That big old
You're gonna be scared if you see the bear?
Probably BB.
BB will be the scaredest.
It smells cold.
Probably Mama.
It's called rocking chair.
Bird?
See how they cut that tree?
Oh,
You don't notch the backside. When that weight gets up there, it starts
Yeah.
breaking. That kills a lot of people.
Mm.
But they take off running this way, and the tree comes back on them. I've seen video where it's done it and killed them.
It looks like it might have already been leaning that way, so they just.
I know, but you still want to mark that backside. It goes down. And once that weight gets there, it breaks it.
Oh, Daddy, BB.
Or when it starts doing it, people panic and run. Just keep cutting fast, and it won't catch up to it. You know what I'm saying? When it starts breaking, they run and get scared. All you do when it does is just cut faster and it can break.
Mm-hmm. You want a pretzel?
No, I have one.
Oh, okay. You want a pretzel, Bowen?
BB loves pretzels. We ate those on the plane, didn't we?
It's called Whiskey Flats. Sure.
Look where the people are, whatever they are. The animals are scraping the tree.
Cause their booty itches.
I'm telling you,
Let's go, Dad.
Look, see that high scratch right there?
Oh, yeah.
That's a bear. An old wound. Look way down there with a deer.
I'm sure they come in here because they smell food from.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Feel like that tree's leaning? That big one, Travis? You start cutting the backside, at some point, you're just gonna rip it down the middle.
You just scrape. You
But
just.
if you just get there and cut fast and it can rip, you got it.
That one right there is fresh.
The best way to do it is not to cover.
Good sandwich.
You see that one right there?
Beautiful
That
place
one's
to eat.
right- The tree right behind the one.
Show
we
Daddy's
showed
bear
you.
spray.
It's all it's brand new. See where
Daddy's
it's all
got his bear
sprayed?
spray.
Oh, right there.
He's ready for
Do
it.
we have a little garbage sack?
Yeah, it's right here.
Go with that photo and use that. I just threw everything in there.
I got it. I got a
you
sack.
see?
Oh yeah, there's a white sack.
What you see? What is it? Oh, that's fresh. What is that, Ruru?
That's bear. That's bear doing that.
Mom, you want to see a long
How
scratch?
deep that is?
That's crazy.
Mommy,
Sap.
you want to see a really long scratch?
Yeah. What do you think about a bear doing that, Bowen? That one's got slobber on it still.
That's true.
Sap. Sap.
That one's hardened though. That one's been there for a couple of days. That's some.
Wow. I got the hiccups.
Here, Bubba.
Oh, there's bear poop behind you.
Over here.
Right here, Mom.
There's bear food.
Here, boy.
Whitley, bear poop.
Mom, right here. There's the long scratch mark.
Whoa.
Biggest one I've ever seen. He is feisty. Wink, wink. Whoa. Okay. Got it. Whoa. It's hard to balance on there. Whoa, Mom. Easy and steady. Steady. Steady.
Are Whitley's shoes on the wrong feet?
Steady.
Nice try.
Mom, I found some bit. But that's not egg. But they're
That's bird doo-doo.
ew.
Don't touch it. Come on. Let's go get some hand sanitizer.
Ooh, duty on the fingers.
Baby. All right. You can go wash your hands. Take Bobo's shirt off.
It's good practice. Hit pine cones.
Here.
Okay, y'all get away from each other swinging though.
Yeah, don't swing at each
Y'all
other.
get 6 foot apart. 6 foot apart. And not toward us, toward the field. Hit toward the field. You don't hurt nothing. Keep waiting for a bear to come around the corner right there.
Yeah. No, there might be too many people around here for him to be out too.
They're loaded up then.
All right, let's go, guys.
Beautiful, beautiful weather. Oh, man, beautiful.
Can you bring these sticks with us?
Nah,
No.
there'll be more where we go. Start sliding right there.
See the waterfall?
Let's go all the way down here. You're a liar.
Hold him tight. I walked away.
I said, where did she go? And I turned around and she was
What is it, Whitty?
Drop anything mad.
Oh, desolate.
No, you can't get down. You stay right here. Look at Bubble.
Wow, Whitty.
You're not supposed to go near that stuff.
See that sign? Some danger, boy.
See?
You see?
Here, get back in, buddy.
Did you buy it? No, are you kidding me? Those things so many. So what's it made out of?
Look at the mountain ahead. Brenda, straight ahead. Ew, that one's green.
See that one, Bubba?
Ugly. I'm gonna go to.
Okay. Get the picture.
Oh, there's
Hold, Mama, can you hold his hand?
Here, who I got? Come here.
Got it.
You're gonna lose them things, boy.
Put it around your neck, Whit. What a view. Good job, Bo.
Bo, please don't break the foot your ankle up here.
What is that stuff?
The same stuff. But it's real
Bubbling
What's
mud.
the actual temperature of that?
big. They said it was in the high 60s.
No, that's
Oh, that, I don't know.
Chú đi ăn siêu học bài.
I was just thinking.
It's the oysters.
Wet and hot.
Jupiter! Jupiter! We want you! Jupiter! Jupiter! We want you!
Sometimes you get some big ones that pop up on.
Good job, Whitley. You're dragging your stuff.
Hey, listen.
What is it?
There's water underneath us. Bowen, don't lean over that, please.
Yeah, stay back.
Listen, listen.
Wow. Bowen, back up.
Mama,
Okay, go to Daddy. Go to Daddy.
Yeah. You hear them?
Dinky.
You okay?
All them trees down there, down here.
What are you doing?
Come in. Here, Bubba.
Come on. Travis, turn around. Get with my mom. Good job. Lady, hold Daddy's hand. Hold on. See the mountains? Brenda? See the mountains?
I do. See if I can get them in the background. Where is it?
Huh? You like lights? Well, they're in the sun right now. Right?
Well, they're not looking at it.
I'm not going to stare into it. Nobody can stare into the sun.
Watch the roots, Bo, and you're going to trip. Watch the roots, baby. Taking lots of pictures. Come on, Bo. Gotta get out of the way. Look at the river.
What?
It's like a boiling river.
Yeah, it's hot.
Hot. You feel the steam?
What?
Look how yellow it is.
Yeah, that's what we're going to wait right here for Mama.
Look, guys. Smoke in the mountain.
Oh, sorry. You're good.
I like that. Yeah. Or something maybe. Maybe that's like a timber wolf and that's like a...
Everybody's leaving.
I'm not sure. I'm not really sure.
Let's go over there.
There's a piece of ice down there. I'm trying to figure that out.
That's, they probably give it to him.
They just kind of go back and forth. I'm gonna let y'all be there back. Come on. You wanna make it jump over here? Hey there, Kelsey.
Probably the closest you'll ever be. Oh, you're going to get it. You see that?
We're coming.
And so when Connie and Keely escaped, them and their mother had access to a lot of different areas for food. They got into barns, chicken coops, garages, and they also attempted to break into some kitchens. So the decision was made to unfortunately euthanize Connie and Keely's mother, and they were quite young at the time. They probably going to be with their mother for about 2.5 to 3.5 years. And so, being orphaned, in addition to being food conditioned, it was decided that it would be best to remove them from the wild, and now they are here. And Bo is actually our most recent bear to come to the center. He came in the summer of 2020. Now, during that time, there was a lot of people out recreating for the first time, and they didn't all do it in the most responsible way. So Bo wandered into Rainbow Point Campground, where he gets to ski. And Rainbow Point Campground is less than 10 miles from here. And he was seen getting access to garbage, toppling over some empty tents. And it got to the point where he became very comfortable around that area. So much so that he decided to take a nap on the hood of someone's car while there were people in that car camping.
Oh my God.
So you can imagine how potentially dangerous that could be. And so bear managers decided it would be best to remove him from the wild, and now he is here. So all of the bears that we have here are here because of food conditioning. Either they themselves became food conditioned or they were orphaned because their mothers were food conditioned. And the biggest reason for bear fatalities in the wild is using a large part due to food conditioning. Bear managers will try different things like relocation and emergency, but those attempts are not always successful. And so if there's nothing that bear managers can do to discourage those bears from migrating to unpopulated areas, then unfortunately the end result of that is
Daddy, he gets a B&O just like it starts with my name.
Yeah.
B&O. Oh.
The other ones are playing over there. Yeah.
Baby bear. Oh look, those ones are fighting. They're playing together.
You see them?
Just like you and
You see
Bubba.
them fighting?
I can't see you.
Okay,
Sit
here.
back here and you can see the pup.
Here, I'll get you back. Look at the eagles. Look.
Wow.
See them? Don't touch
Change
that.
quick.
Scream.
Oh, and don't touch that. Get off of it.
Can I please just record something without everybody screaming at each other? One was, hey, he was from Jackson. Jackson, Wyoming. This one was from Jackson, Wyoming.
What is it? Wings? Yeah. Now, this is a rehabilitation.
Owen, you can't do that, buddy.
Okay, get in.
Don't touch it. Back up. No. No.
Buddy, show mama what that is. Look at mama. Great day. Catch all that when I live in Utah.
Huh?
Catch all that when I live in Utah.
Come on, buddy. Don't touch the glass, Bowen.
The otters are right here.
Just take it back there. Oh, sorry.
It's right here. Yeah, you can.
See up there?
In the water. Here he goes.
Right there. You see him?
You see him? He's swimming around.
I just wish I
He'll come back.
Maybe are you looking? They're right here.
looking and it's kind of like breaking daylight, so I just let that fly. All of a sudden, something went across me, close to the boat. It went flying and zoomed in. It come out of the ditch and went out to the big water.
Can you see him though?